The fawn calls out, even before it is completely born, cementing the bond with its mother. As the newborn wrestles with gravity, Mom gives it some gentle encouragement. The fawn's wet fur and the biting wind are not a good combination. To avoid getting too cold, it must get on its feet and start moving as soon as possible. The fawn weighs just 9 pounds and has a lot of leg to control. Eventually, it grows more stable. At 20 minutes old, it's just about steady enough for its first drink of milk. Vicuña are extremely social animals. It's time to meet the rest of the herd.